This video is a recap of Unit 3 material for the Semester 1 Cumulative Assessment for Algebra 1. So remember that Unit 3 is about writing and graphing linear equations. So in order to graph, we need our equation y equals, which number 1 is, so we can identify our slope, which is next to the variable, and our y-intercept, which is by itself, so 0, -2. When we go to graph, we always start on the y-axis, that vertical axis. Our slope is 3 over 5, so it tells us up 3 and right 5. We can also go down 3 and left 5 to get a complete line. In number 2, our equation is not in y equals, so we need to solve for y first. So first we're going to move the 6x over by adding. Remember that 6x and 18 are not like terms, so they don't combine. So we have negative 3y equals 6x minus 18. We can divide everything by negative 3 to get y equals negative 2x plus 6. Our slope is negative 2, which we can write as negative 2 over 1. Our y-intercept is 0, 6. So on our graph, we are going to start at 6. Our slope tells us down 2, right 1. We can also go up to left 1. And we are going to connect our line. Number 3, write the equation in point slope form given the slope is 2 and the point negative 10, 3. So remember that point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we're just going to substitute. So we would have y minus 3 equals 2 times x plus 10. Write the equation of the line in point slope form passing through the point 2, -7, and 7, 8. So first we need to find our slope, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. That gets us 15 over 5, which reduces to 3. When we're using point slope form, we can pick either point. So I'm going to pick the first point, and using our slope, we have y plus 7 equals 3 times x minus 2. In number 5, we want to write the equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus p. But we don't have the y-intercept, so we're going to start in point slope form. Y plus 5 equals negative 4 times x minus 8. Then to get into point slope form, or slope-intercept, there's 2 steps. First, we distribute. Y plus 5 equals negative 4x plus 32. Then move over the y-coordinate. Y equals negative 4x plus 27. In number 6, Cedric is climbing down a mountain. 1 hour after his descent, he is 3,335 feet above sea level. After 5 hours, he is 2,675 feet above sea level. So we want to write 2 ordered pairs. So each sentence will get its own ordered pair. So 1 hour, comma, 3,335, 5 hours, comma, 2,675. Then we want to find our rate of change, which is our slope. So we have 2,675 minus 3,335 over 5 minus 1. So when we subtract, we get 340 over 4. Negative, so that would be negative 85 feet per hour. So to write our equation slope-intercept form, we don't have the y-intercept, so we're going to start in point slope form. Y minus 3,335 equals negative 85 times x minus 1. To get into slope-intercept, first we would distribute. Y minus 3,335 equals negative 85x plus 85. And we can add 3,335 to both sides. We get y equals negative 85x plus 3,420.